Hi guys, I made another just kind of watch me do my nails video. I've been wanting to do these, and I'm hoping I get better at them. But I got a cat wanting to come in. I'm gonna attempt to do some New Year's Eve or New Year's themed nail art. I've already got my base coat on certain nails. It doesn't look so great, but the whole theme is rose gold and purple. So the base coats for there's a desk. The rose gold is this elf holiday line. I don't remember what year it is. I will find it and probably put it somewhere in the video. But yeah, this is the rose gold that we'll do. But I think I'm also going to be using this rose gold for the glitter. It's the Salon Perfect in Rose Gold Digger. You're going to see it. That'll be the kind of rose gold glitter. And the purple is a soya polish I got one year for Christmas. And it is Neve. And those are going to all be the colors that I use. Because I already got the base on each of them. And also, if you guys have any recommendations for a base coat or top coat, I've been having trouble with mine as of late. Like, my manicures, if it's not my gel polish manicure, my manicure pretty much only lasts a couple of days. But this is what I've been using for base coat, the Nail Savvy Gripper. I think I got it at Sally's. And the top coat that I got is LA Colors Color Last Top Coat. So those are what I've been using. But yeah, I got my base coat, and now I'm going to start with the nails. Okay. For my left pinky, I've kind of wanted to do a somewhat negative space kind of look. So I've already got the purple down as the base, and I'm going to do, hopefully, attempt some kind of almost a dry brush method on the rose gold glitter for the spaces, or at the line. Just want to try to get as much as I can off the brush. I'm just gonna kind of dab right where the lines are. I don't want to go too far into the negative space. Just kind of try to bring it down to blend. It's just going to be okay. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see if I can get it more focus. Yeah, just pretty simple with that. Okay, for for the ring finger, I kind of wanted to attempt to try and do that dry brush again, attempt with the, but just with a full nail instead of just the negative space. So I'm trying to get as much as I can off. And I'm only going to do half the nail starting from the bottom. Okay, for the middle finger, I put painter's tape on a bottom corner, and I'm going to paint the rest of the nail with the purple, dark purple. Try not to do too thick, because I sometimes make them too thick. Okay, I'm going to use the purple polish again, and this time I'm going to try and do a sort of starburst or sunburst or fireworks thing, and use striping tape. All starting at the corner and going branching out. I took too much off. Tweezers with me. For the thumb, I was just going to attempt to do that dry brush attempt again, but from the top. Not quite a French tip, but I don't know if this is quite dry brushing, but quite what I was going for, but my brush was a little too wet. These kids. That's for my left hand. Let those dry. Okay, for my right hand, since the base is all rose gold, they're going to be covered with the dark purple. So I went ahead and just pre-taped everything for my designs and just go over. I overshot it with the peaky, but the tape of the peaky. But yeah, just put a purple over all these, remove the tape after, and then I'll be back to show you the end product. Okay, this is how the nails turned out. My pinky kind of bled out a little bit. I think I didn't put the tape tight enough, and it kind of bled out a little bit. The rest are pretty simple. I did the corner again with this one, but just at a different spot. This one has just got a little bit of rose gold through the middle, a little stripes on either side. I think I'm just going to leave my nails like this. Keep them pretty simple. I think after they pretty much completely dry, I'm going to put top coat, and then that'll be it. But yeah, if I try to do anything more, I'll just kind of screw up. But yeah, those are my New Year's Eve nails. I hope you enjoyed watching. Feel free to give me, if you know any tips or tricks I could use, or any constructive criticism, because I'm still learning. Or, it's like I'm not a professional, I don't know everything. And I just like doing my nails. So, yeah, I hope you're doing well, hope you're happy, you're healthy, you're living your life the way you want to live your life. And I hope you guys all have a happy, healthy, safe New Year's. And I'll see you in 2019. Bye.